How to delete Facebook log activity all at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete all of your Facebook activity log. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. Then tap onto your profile on your top right. From here, tap on the gear icon from your top right again. At this page, scroll below and under Activity, tap on Activity Log option. Tap on Activity History on your third option. As you do so, you will see all of your Facebook activity. In case you would like to delete each of them, tap on three dot icon just beside the activity and tap on Delete. But to delete all of your activity log at once, go back and tap on to Account Center of Meta. Here, scroll below and tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then tap on Your Activity of Meta Technologies. Tap on Clear Previous Activity. Once you do so, you will see this page. If your Facebook and Instagram are connected, you will see your Instagram account as well and tap on Clear. Then read all these and tap on Clear Previous Activity. Once you do so, it will see that all of your activities has been cleared, and this is how you can do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.